what up guys, the Blader Zao here, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing of Beyblade Burst B48 Xeno Xcalibur MI by Takara Tomy. And here's the back of the box, where it shows you the stats. You have there's the parts, Xeno Xcalibur, Magnum, Impact. So without further ado, let's unbox this guy. Here we go. Already looks awesome, man. Okay, and now we have some stickers. Let's see. Looks pretty complicated, actually. Then we have stickers for the launcher. Right here. Pretty interesting. And then look, what are these stickers? Oh, okay, Spriggan. Okay, so we're back here. We'll start with the close-up here. So we have Xeno Xcalibur. And by the way, guys, I did not put any of the rest of the stickers on because it was so frustrating, so tiny. It's the hardest stickers I've ever done in Beyblade, for a blade. So, here's the bottom. Here's the teeth. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah. Very interesting. Beautiful as well. Okay. Then we have Magnum. Brand new part with a PC frame on the side. And the outer part. Pretty neat. And then we have Impact. Now this one I was a little disappointed here. See that it wobbles, so, and it doesn't feel too rubbery. Still nice. There's the little emblem there. Pretty cool. So now we'll go on to the blade all finished. Finished. It looks absolutely amazing, guys. Wow. Here's the bottom. Absolutely amazing. Okay, and we're back. So, here's the launcher. Pretty neat. Love the launcher, it looks awesome. Now, I tried putting a long ripcord in there. It doesn't work. This ripcord looks like it's designed specifically for this launcher. That's the only unfortunate thing. So, here we go. Let's do a test spin. 3, 2, 1. Okay, and we are back. So, that was pretty awesome. That blade spun around very fast, dude. Had a lot of energy in Xeno Xcalibur. So, we are going to be doing Xeno Xcalibur versus the old one, Xcalibur. We'll be launching the old one first. Actually, let's do the Xeno. Gets better stamina, it sounds like. Or it looks like. 3, 2, 1. And looks like the old one, I don't know, that was a snipe shot. Redo. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. And both collide out. Both KO'd. And there you go, guys. Thank you for watching. And yeah, please leave a comment in the comment section. And so far, this has to be my favorite Beyblade so far. It's awesome, man. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe. So yeah, this is Blader Zao signing out, and I'll see you guys later.